Okay, I just got back from Trader Joe's, so I'm gonna do a little mini Trader Joe's haul. I did buy a lot of stuff, but it's gonna be quick. Okay, so first thing I got is this mashed cauliflower, and this is gonna be a great side for pretty much anything. So that's that. There is also mac and cheese, and this is so good. It's 4 cheese, so it tastes amazing. I got 2. It's a great side again if you want a lazy dinner. And I also got something new, which is this organic acai bowl, and it comes with everything. Interesting. I don't know, but this was pretty cheap too. I'm gonna show you the receipt at the end. So yeah, whenever I feel like I want an acai bowl, here it is in my freezer. Also, these are insanely good. You just have to pull them out night before, put them in the oven. Don't turn the oven on, just let it, and then you can bake it in the morning, and they're really, really good. And this is new. I haven't tried that before, but we'll see. Seems like, I can also make it with mashed cauliflower and with, let me find it, because I also got this, carrot coins actually. So yeah, easy dinner when I'm lazy and I just want to put something together quick. And we also bought curry from Costco, so we got that chicken to basically prepare with that for lunch or dinner. Chicken and cheese tamales. Again, beef tamale, easy dinner or lunch, whatever. And this is butter chicken with basmati rice. And yeah, I haven't tried that yet, but it looks really good. I did buy something similar from Whole Foods, which was more expensive. So I hope this is gonna be like a good alternative, because yeah, I love butter chicken. And this, I always get a garlic naan. It's really good. It's much better than buying garlic naan at the restaurant and then bringing it home or heating. It's much easier, tastier, and cheaper too. Cinnamon rolls. These are jumbo. We bought something similar from Whole Foods. It was amazing. It was very good. So this was actually cheaper. So I'm very, very excited about it, because cinnamon rolls from Caban are very expensive now. Like, it's almost $7 per cinnamon roll. Also, no sugar, uncured bacon. We buy this usually from Whole Foods, but it's like, around $8 or $9, and this was below $5. So we'll see, we'll test it out. We like to put it, actually, what we do now, we cook it in the microwave. So it takes less than 2 minutes to make in the morning. That's a nice addition to a morning nap. And some sparkling water for Tony. And I think, oh wait, almost forgot, chicken sausages. Again, you can have it with breakfast or easy lunch or dinner whenever you feel lazy. So yeah, pretty nice. And I think that's it. And this is the butter chicken, actually chicken tikka masala from Whole Foods that I always get. It's definitely smaller, more expensive, but the chicken is antibiotic free. The Whole Foods one, you get a lot more chicken with the sauce, just a small amount of rice. With the Trader Joe's one, you get a lot more rice. Trader Joe's, Whole Foods.
I mean, it could be the same amount of sauce. It's hard to tell.
You definitely get a lot more rice.